In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Gmail step by step. Even if you're a complete beginner, Gmail is one of the easiest and most popular email platforms, and once you understand the basics, you can send messages, read emails, reply to people, and attach files in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to Gmail's sign-in page. If you already have a Gmail account, sign in using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Gmail inbox, which is basically your email home screen. From here, you can see your messages, open new emails, and start composing your own. Now, if you want to send a new email, look for the Compose button in the top left corner and click it. A new message window will appear. In the To field, type the recipient's email address. Make sure you enter it correctly so the message goes to the right person. Next, add a subject line. This is the short title of your email, and it helps the recipient understand what the message is about before they even open it. After that, click inside the main message area and write your email. You can keep it short and simple or make it more detailed depending on what you need to say. Once your message is ready, review everything one more time to make sure the recipient, subject, and message look correct. If you want to include a file, like a document, photo, or PDF, click the paperclip icon before sending. This is the attach file option, and it lets you upload files directly into your email. Just choose the file from your computer, wait for it to upload, and then it will be added to your message. When everything is finished and you're happy with the email, click Send. Your message will be delivered to the recipient immediately. Now let's go over how to read emails. On the left side of Gmail, click Inbox. This is where your incoming emails appear. When you see a message you want to read, just click on it and the email will open. You can then go through the message, check attachments, and respond if needed. If you want to reply to someone, open the email first and then click Reply. Type your response in the box that appears, and when you're ready, send it back just like a normal email. And that's the basic way to use Gmail. You've now learned how to sign in, compose a message, add a subject, write an email, attach a file, send it, read incoming messages, and reply to people. Once you get comfortable with these steps, Gmail becomes very easy to use every day. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.